How to fix parameter is incorrect, problem in Windows 10. In this tutorial I will show you one method to solve the problem. First open Start and type Registry Editor. Right-click and click on Run as Administration. Expand HKey Local Machine. Expand System. Expand Current Control Set. Expand Services. Click on Bluetooth User Service, make sure letters or numbers at the end. Change the value to 2 and click on OK. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.